What we'll be doing today is assembling, disassembling, and assembling a saber. The saber is a fencing weapon used at the Olympic level. What we'll be needing is the saber blade, the gauntlet, the grip, the electric plug-in, the cover, and the gauntlet cover. There'll be also the bolt attached. If you already have, of course, your saber already assembled, this is how to be able to reassemble it if you ever get a new blade or a new part to gear onto it. Other supplies you'll be needing is a rust eater or the WD-40 or rust eater or any other products like that. You just need a simple cloth and that'll be it. So, the starting of it is simply that you'll be unwinding the knot all the way through Europe. You'll be holding it as such, grabbing it will be unwinding it. All you have to do is hold the blade while it's undone. The element here, if it has a washer, hold on to the washer, place it down on the side. Blade, you'd be firmly grasping it, do not let it go from your hand or you'll get metal splinters, and those are pleasant to deal with. It'll be a little troublesome here. You just lower the blade, grab it. Grip comes off here, place it down. Gauntlet comes up, gauntlet comes with a full hammer with the gear gauntlet and its plug-in. Keep those as one set. This does not need to be removed. Place that down. This is the blade as its fullest. This is a full length saber. So you leave that down. Up. Spray it down with just a thorough. Double again. And spray again. This is just to ensure that you have a thorough amount and that you, when grabbing the blade, you do not get any splinters because it will be very uncomfortable and hard to deal with. At this point, you just thoroughly, continuously polish the blade off. Polishing the blade and ensuring that its longevity will last. Of course, there are moments and incidents where the blade will just break while fencing and there's nothing you can do about that. It's not very wise to put any rust eater or WD-40 on the last bit or the wiring of the blade, so it will be actually damage this part. After so, lay it down, and you actually grab the gear gauntlet, just give it over to the wiper. You can't do much other than that. At that point, through, down, do this, since there's a little trouble in grabbing it. Grab it underneath your arm, do not move it or you can get splinters underneath your arm. Grip. Give me a little tension, just make sure that you push it correctly. As such. And your hand strength is good enough. You do not need to grab any wrenches of any sort to apply this back pressure. After winding it back, check its grip, should be fine, and you're all good.